Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of many: weight management. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, maintain a healthy weight, or just adopt a more balanced lifestyle, this video is for you. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our helpful content. Now, let's jump into it. Importance of weight management. Maintaining a healthy weight is not just about appearance, it's crucial for our overall well-being. It can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, boost energy levels, and improve our mood. So, how do we go about managing our weight effectively? Let's explore. First and foremost, let's talk about nutrition. A balanced diet is key. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive amounts of saturated fats. Portion control is another essential aspect of weight management. Be mindful of how much you're eating. It's not just about what you eat, but how much. Using smaller plates, listening to your body's hunger cues, and avoiding distractions during meals can all help with portion control. Of course, we can't talk about weight management without mentioning exercise. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, dancing, or hitting the gym. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. And don't forget to incorporate strength training exercises for overall fitness. Staying hydrated is often overlooked but plays a significant role in weight management. Sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, and consider choosing water over sugary beverages. Now, let's not forget about the importance of sleep. Poor sleep can interfere with your body's hunger hormones, leading to cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight management goals. Mindful eating is a game changer. Slow down, savor your food, and pay attention to how your body feels. It can help prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. If you're struggling with weight management, consider seeking guidance from a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual needs and health goals. Remember, weight management is a journey, not a destination. It's about making sustainable, positive changes to support a healthy and happy life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.